Hey, entrepreneur, there are machines in China that are so easy to source and import that you could have your business up and running before this month is over. That's why today I'm bringing you 10 of those hidden gems you can use from home to generate real money. And pay attention, the number 8 is so profitable it could replace your job and make you quit in less than a week. Let's check them all out. Number 1, Mini Portable Surface Printer. This small machine is a real ace up your sleeve. It lets you print directly on almost anything: wood, plastic, glass, metal, or even walls. You just connect your design from your phone or computer and the machine does the rest. In seconds, you have your logo, drawing, or phrase printed on the surface you want. It uses special fast-drying ink that doesn't smudge, so your work always looks professional. The price of these mini printers is quite affordable, especially considering you can work from home or a small workshop. You don't need much space, and consumables like ink and cartridges are inexpensive, which helps you recover your investment quickly. To get people to know your products, a great strategy is to approach local businesses that want to personalize items: cafes, gift shops, hardware stores, or schools. You can also create bundles for events like weddings, birthdays, or fairs by personalizing cups, boxes, or souvenirs. Another option is offering express services through local social networks where customers place quick orders and get them picked up or delivered. You can even partner with small artisans and offer engraving or printing services that make their products more attractive. Number 2, balloon printing machine. Balloons are everywhere at celebrations, from birthdays to corporate events, and personalization is what increases their value. A balloon printing machine turns a simple balloon into a premium product for events, advertising, and decor. It prints logos, names, phrases, or designs directly onto the balloon surface in seconds with professional results. These machines are easy to import from China, typically priced around $1,200 to $3,500 depending on automation level. Printing a balloon costs just cents, but a personalized balloon can sell for 80 cents to $2. Selling 2,000 balloons per month can generate $3,000 plus, and corporate and event contracts can multiply that quickly. Number 3, fruit pulping machine. This machine is like a superhero for anyone who wants to make juices, jams, or fruit pulp without hassle. You simply load the washed fruit and the machine automatically separates the pulp, juice, and seeds, leaving a clean, ready-to-use result. It's fast, efficient, and saves you a lot of time compared to doing everything by hand. There are affordable models for small producers, bars, restaurants, or even home-based entrepreneurs. The investment pays itself quickly because fruit is easy to source and finished products like juices and pulp have strong profit margins. To sell your products, you can approach cafes, juice bars, or restaurants and show how your pulp improves the quality of their drinks and desserts. You can even sell directly to families or at local markets, offering fresh pulp for home use or cooking or recipes. Another strategy is partnering with health food stores or markets that want ready-to-use pulp for cooking or recipes. You can even offer juice bundles or weekly subscriptions, creating recurring income. Number 4, recycling waste compactor. This machine is perfect if you want to make money while helping the planet. It works by compressing plastics, cardboard, and other recyclable materials into compact blocks, reducing volume and making storage and transport easier. You can then sell them to recycling plants or reuse them to make new products. There are affordable models for small workshops or home recycling businesses. The investment is recovered quickly thanks to low maintenance costs and constant demand for compacted materials. To get your product to market, you can go directly to recycling companies and waste processing plants offering ready-to-process blocks. Another idea is working with schools, restaurants, and offices, collecting their waste, compacting it, and charging for the service. You can even offer compacted materials to companies that make furniture, planters, or other products, showing how efficiently the material can be reused. Eco-friendly fairs and events are great places to showcase your machine and attract sustainability-minded clients. Number 5, toilet paper packaging machine. This machine turns loose toilet paper rolls into ready-to-sell packages. It works automatically. You load the rolls, and the machine aligns, wraps, and seals them into uniform packages ready to sell. Its speed is impressive, producing several packages per minute without handling each roll manually. There are affordable models for small businesses or workshops starting in toilet paper production. Maintenance costs are low, and materials like plastic and paper are easy to source, meaning each package sold offers an attractive profit margin. To sell your products, you can approach neighborhood stores, small supermarkets, hotels, and restaurants that need constant supplies. Another strategy is offering direct delivery to offices or companies, creating recurring contracts and stable income. You can even showcase your product at local markets or consumer fairs. Even better, you can offer custom packaging with logos or designs for businesses that want their own private label toilet paper, adding extra value and differentiation. Number 6, Jeans Buttonhole Machine. This machine is a powerful ally for garment workshops or clothing customization. You place the fabric, set the buttonhole size, and the machine cuts, reinforces, and finishes it automatically with a professional look. It works on jeans, shirts, jackets, and uniforms, delivering uniform results every time. Compact, affordable models are perfect for home businesses or small workshops. Maintenance is easy, energy use is low, and demand is constant. You can offer services to tailors, local brands, and sewing workshops, or provide custom buttonhole designs for unique clothing. Fashion fairs and craft markets are great places to show samples and build trust. Partnerships with sewing schools or independent designers can also generate stable income. Number 7, Cardboard to Packing Filler Recycling Machine. As more businesses search for sustainable solutions, a cardboard packing filler machine is a low-risk, high-opportunity business. It turns used boxes into protective packaging material that replaces bubble wrap and other polluting packaging. You feed cardboard into the machine, blades shred and expand it into flexible padded filler, perfect for protecting items during shipping. These machines are easy to import from China, priced anywhere from $50 to $1,200. Production cost is almost zero because the raw material can often be collected for free from supermarkets or warehouses. The filler can sell for about $1.50 to $3 per kilogram. Processing 300 kilograms per month could bring in around $900 plus, and scaling up could push profits towards $3,000 monthly, especially with e-commerce and logistics clients. Number 4, Paper Bag Making Machine. This machine is perfect for eco-friendly businesses. It takes paper rolls, folds, glues, and forms bags automatically. Some versions add handles or print logos for extra value. Affordable models work well for home businesses or small workshops. Low maintenance and cheap materials mean fast ROI. You can sell to bakeries, cafes, clothing stores, and artisanal markets, or create custom bags for events and branding. Regular delivery contracts ensure steady income. Number 9, Paper Straw Making Machine. Plastic straws have been disappearing, and paper straws have become a high-demand eco-alternative worldwide. With a paper straw machine, you can build a profitable business supplying restaurants, cafes, hotels, and sustainability-focused brands. It feeds paper strips, glues, rolls, and cuts them automatically to produce strong, safe straws. These machines are easy to import from China, with prices varying widely by speed and configuration. Your draft mentions up to $8,000 for certain models. Cost per straw is just cents, while paper straws sell in packs with strong margins, especially with distributor contracts or restaurant chains. Number 10, Low-Lying Fog Machine. This second option isn't just eye-catching, it's a visual magnet for events and shows. We're talking about a low-lying fog machine designed to cover stages, runways, weddings, or parties with dense fog that stays close to the ground, creating a cinematic effect. This type of equipment has become a trend because it turns ordinary spaces into unforgettable experiences. How it works is simple. It uses distilled water and either dry ice or special glycol-based fluids that, when heated, release thick fog that stays on the floor. These units are compact, easy to operate, and durable, ideal if you want to enter the events industry. They're also easy to import from China, commonly priced between $280 and $400. The profit margin is surprisingly good. The cost per event is just a few dollars in supplies, while rental rates can be around $50 per day. With only 4 to 5 rentals a month, you can recover the investment. Then it becomes a true money machine for anyone running an event-based business from home. Now you know these China import machines that can help you start a profitable business and generate income with products people buy every day. Now it's on you to take action. Tell me in the comments which one of these machines caught your eye the most, and subscribe to the channel to discover more home business ideas that are changing the lives of thousands of entrepreneurs. See you in the next one.